Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Simple Solutions, and I'm Ahsanullah, and today I am bringing the very interesting topic and very important for fresh civil engineers and civil engineering students of DAE or degree holders. So this is very important topic: how to calculate the cutting length of rectangular stirrups. Here we go. This is the column size 300 by 400 mm, and this is the clear cover 44 mm, and this clear cover is 40 mm, and the dia of the bar is 8 mm. Here we go. So size of the column is 300 by 400 mm. Length of the column A is equal to 300 minus 2 into clear cover. That's the cutting length comes to 212 mm, and the length of the column B 400 minus 2 into 40. This one I'm going to find this length. So here it's coming 312 mm. Hook length 10D. There are two hooks, so at the end we will multiply by 2, and the dia of the bar is 8 mm. 10 multiplied by 8, 80, and 80 multiplied by 2, 160 mm for these two hooks. So then the cutting length will be A multiplied by 2, because one is that one and the other is that one, and two sides here. So we have already find the one dimension, so just we need to multiply by 2. A multiplied by 2 plus B multiplied by 2 plus hook length. We already found the hook length for two hooks. So here we go. The cutting length will be 212 multiplied by 2 plus 312 multiplied by 2 plus 160, and the answer is 1208 mm, and we convert it to meter, 1.208 meter. Guys, this is very simple, and for these kinds of videos subscribe to our channel Civil Engineering Simple Solutions. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and this channel is totally free for you. You will get the knowledge, and you just need to subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.